All right, what are you watching? What are you watching? Are you watching EB BB Baby? EB BB Baby. It's your favorite show right now, huh? And there's Mr. Parker. Parker, are you getting ready to crawl? You're getting so ready to crawl, buddy. Good job. Keep going. Come on, you can do it. You're getting close, buddy.
My hand.
Your hand. Did you draw your hand? And there's Macy. Macy. Macy, enough. Come on, buddy. You can do it. You can do it, buddy. You're getting so close.
You done that? Did we make it right? Let's make it right.
Well, he's getting close to crawling. Oh, bless you. Bless you. We got 2 sneezing kids. Allergy season is upon us, I guess.
My turn. My turn. Turn.
You want a videotape? Okay, that's what you see when you look into that screen. That's what everybody's going to see. Okay?
Hey, Parker.
So if you see Parker, everybody's going to see the video of Parker. If you don't, they'll see what you see. Here. You hold it like this. There you go. There you go. That's a lot better.
Hey, my Parker.
There's Parker. There's Mommy and Parker. Hey, buddy. You want to crawl? My little video recorder here. Okay. Are you watching EB? Okay, let's turn it off.
Turn up.
Yep, well, Mommy show you. I'll show you, sweetie. Here, it's a little bit. Can you let Mommy show you, please? Honey, it's easy, but you have to let Mommy show you, okay? I'll show you where to push. Okay? You can do it. You can do it. I'll just show you where it's at. Okay, it's right. Speaking of that. Okay, push this button right here. No, push.